welcome to another lesson. And obviously we started our lesson today in a slightly unusual way. I'm just curious to think or hear your thoughts. What did you think about that introduction? How easy or difficult was it to figure out what was going on? How quickly did you figure out what was going on? And what was it that I was doing that cued you in to what was going on? Jeremy? Yep, great. Rebecca? Okay, anyone else got something they'd like to add? Simon? Okay, fantastic. So as Jeremy and Rebecca and Simon have commented, it was a little bit disorienting at first, but you pretty quickly figured out what was going on, even though I didn't use any words to speak with you. Okay, you were able to get the idea that I was a police officer directing traffic and that you were my cars. You were the cars moving through the intersection. And it probably took maybe 15-20 seconds before we were all fully on board with what was going on, which is going to lead us really nicely into our lesson inquiry question for today, which is, can we connect with an audience without using words or text? Okay, and of course that's a sub-question underneath a broader unit inquiry. How do we shape meaning for audiences? Okay, so our lesson intention for today, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to manipulate the non-verbal elements of drama. And your success criteria, how you'll know you've accomplished that, is when you can identify the non-verbal elements of drama, experiment with the non-verbal elements of drama, work with others to develop a short non-verbal performance, and that's what our exercises are going to be working up to today in this lesson, and then explain how non-verbal elements of drama can be used to shape performance. So before we go any further, does anyone have any ideas about how I just shaped that performance right then? What elements of drama was I manipulating to connect and create meaning for you guys? Yes, that's right. Body language, stance, movement, gesture, absolutely. Okay, and I was in role as the police officer, and yet I didn't use any words. Okay, fantastic. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to get up on our feet and we're going to start moving through the space. Nice and tall in neutral to begin, and then when I clap, you're going to change your physicality, change the way you're moving. Okay. As if you're caught in a thunderstorm. As if you're sauntering, like you are the cockiest, most arrogant person you've ever met. As if you are trudging through the mud. As if you are late for the bus. Okay, excellent. And everybody freeze, and I'd like you to form a pair with the person you're next to.